Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today we're going to learn about something really interesting. Open to page 309 with me, and let's ask a storm chaser. Who's a storm chaser? From the video you saw, who can tell me who is a storm chaser? Who do you call a storm chaser? Hi, Asif. Who do you call a storm chaser?
When there's a storm, they storm chasers just chase them.
Excellent. So a person who chases storms whenever he knows about them. Yes, Asif, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
They're not allowed to go to a storm if they're a storm chaser and they did not even study. They can't go just like if there's a storm, they can go anytime they want. If there's a storm, they have to first like study about storms.
Yes, that's right.
Then
Okay.
they can.
Is it dangerous to do that, Yosef, or not?
That's dangerous because if you get too close, something might happen.
Excellent. Yes, that's right. Very good. Thank you very much, Yusuf. Now let's read about this storm chaser. What kind of storms do storm chaser look for? Okay, they look for what? They look for tornadoes. For few storms chaser look for hurricanes. So either they try to find tornadoes or they are going to find hurricanes, and these guys are too dangerous. Now, how do they work? Storm chaser watch the weather carefully. So, and we learn about bad storms. We try to predict where to find them. Then we drive to see a storm. I think this is too dangerous, too dangerous. So they think, where can we find a tornado or a hurricane? Well, they need to take a close look at the weather every day, and try to predict when a bad weather will happen, so they can go and drive with their cars to chase a storm. Now, how does storm chasing help other people? Do you know how it helps other people? Can you tell me? Hi, Ismail. How chasing a storm helping other people? They are scientists. Of course they help people. But how? In which way they are helping people?
To saving people.
Okay, how it can save people?
They go to see the weather how it is and what the storm or the tornado or the hurricane is strong.
Okay, thank you, Ismail. Thank you. Most storm chaser work with weather centers. If we spot a storm, we can alert the police and the people on farms. So whenever they know about a storm, they will start telling everyone around them, keep away from the storm, take precautions, stay at home, maybe go to bunks down the floor or whatever. Take care of yourself. A storm is coming. It's really good to know about storms so they can help one another. Now, is there any question would you ask a storm chaser? What would you ask a storm chaser, ya Khalid?
Yes, miss.
What would you ask a storm chaser, ya Khalid?
I don't see the video, miss, because
It's okay.
did
It's
you
not
know?
about the video, ya Khalid. I just want you to.
Just draw on the screen.
Okay. Now I will put the video for you guys again. But a storm chaser, the one that chased storms, what would you ask him? I already told you everything about a storm chaser. What would you ask this scientist? Yes, ya Hamza, what would you ask him?
That the storm is coming.
Oh, is there a storm coming soon? Nice question. Excellent. Very cool. Okay, who else? Who have another question? What would you ask a storm chaser? Yes? Hi, Salim. What would you ask a storm chaser?
Why there are storms?
Ah, what causes storms? Nice, very cool. And if it's me, I can ask him, what is the biggest storm you have ever chased? I want to know what is the biggest storm that he already chased. All right, after you finish writing, boys, let's go to the next page and finish with it so we can see the video again, okay? Please finish writing quickly. Yes, ya Hamza?
Page what?
It's 309. 309. Over here, can you see the page number? It's here. All right. Abdurrahman, you are not writing. Why? Sorry, by mistake.
Miss, I finished.
Very good. Thank you, Amir. All right, boys, are you ready to move? Thank you, ya Ahmed. Okay, let's go to the next page, boys. You can finish later, Abdulaziz. There is a recording session. You can go back to it and you can complete writing, okay? So we can watch the video together again. Now, number one, I want you to draw something. To stay safe from storm, okay, what should you do? Now, in number one, we are going to draw. Your family has a storm kit. You use it if you lose power or get hurt. I want you to draw one thing you would put in a storm kit. What would you put in your storm kit? Yes, yeah, Amir, you are raising your hand. Yes, yeah, Amir. You want to answer? Amir?
What
You
I
raised your
draw?
hand? Okay, I want you to tell me one
Yes.
thing you are going to take with you in your storm kit to stay safe from a storm. What would you take?
Stay home.
Excellent, you will stay home. And what do you need to stay home safe during a storm? Maybe electricity is not going to work, there is no light, there is and maybe there's no water. So what are you going to take in your bag?
Water.
Excellent. Water, flashlight, batteries. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, yeah. Amir, thank you. Okay, you can close your mic, dear. So now let's draw a battery, because batteries are very good for you if your flashlight turned off, so you can use batteries to change it. And you can see, or you can draw a bottle of water. So this is a flashlight and a battery. Now, number 2. A storm might be coming. Why should you make a plan? Why should you make a plan, Ismail? Why would you make a plan if a storm is coming?
We make a plan to be safe from storms.
Excellent, to be prepared and safe from storm. Excellent. So, to be safe and prepared. Well done. Okay, number 3, let's draw again. Storm chasers spot a tornado. Now draw a picture of what they might see. Can you draw a tornado? Do you know how to draw a tornado? Let's draw a tornado. Of course, they might see a tornado. If they are storm chasing and they are spotting a tornado, they must see. Do you think this looks like a tornado? All right, so you can draw a tornado, guys. Now, number 4, tornado warning. Your family follows its safety plan by finding shelter. Why would they find shelter? Why? During a tornado, why they would find a shelter? Do you have any idea? Yes, yes, Saud. Yes, yes, Saud.
Because you do not get hurt.
Excellent, to stay safe. Very good. To stay safe from the strong wind. Excellent, ya Saud. Okay, guys, if you finish writing, please tell me so we can open the video right now, okay? Today we did not write a lot, so please, you can hurry up. It's only 2 lines, and then we can open the video. If you finish, just tell me. I'm going to stop recording now because this is everything for today. We only have the video so you can watch it again.